Hi everyone. Here's a quick update on using streaming suggestions with the LSP. So I've managed to incorporate, the same suggestion streaming POC that I was doing with the LSP. So now if I actually go to a new line, you can see that it's going to stream the suggestions, and this time now it's happening through the LSP. What So let me just show you a more kind of relevant example. So if I say app.post, it's going to go and try to complete the suggestion in a streaming manner. So it works pretty well. It is able to stream pretty accurately, and this is currently hitting the Anthropic API directly. That's because our backend API isn't ready yet, but as soon as that is, I'll point this POC to that as well. So a quick walkthrough of what I'm actually doing. So first of all, since the LSP does not support like streaming suggestions or inline completions out of the box, what I'm doing is I've created a new notification type that actually handles that. That then actually just goes to Anthropic, streams the suggestion, and then sends us a notification back to the client saying that, hey, this is the stream of suggestions, and then that just keeps happening constantly, and the client in this case is VS Code. On the VS Code side, I had to implement an inline completion middleware. That's a middleware that you could use which you could use to modify the LSP behavior. And that basically what it does is it keeps calling the streaming provider and keeps like a generator pointer to make sure that it's getting the next suggestion, etc. So that's it. The example works fine. The next thing I want to work on is once the backend API is ready, I want to point this to the actual GitLab backend API to make sure the streaming works as smoothly. I also want to work on just emitting basic telemetry events. I believe that telemetry for streaming, we can roll it out in a phased fashion. So have some basic telemetry, maybe when there's acceptance or requests, and we figure out how we manage that. And then the last bit that has to happen is just a proper like a unit test coverage, etc., for making a production release. But that's it. That's my update. Thank you.